with rain horn. It's a honk out. You gotta wave for them, Skylar.
Huh?
You gotta wave over here to everybody.
Why? Is that the 5th grade?
Yeah. See them all? You need to be on this side.
What do I need on this side?
Get on this side.
I don't want on this side.
He don't want it to, he said.
I don't want this side. I don't want this side. I want on
There you go. Come on.
this side. Go on this side.
So high.
Don't be so happy! Skylar, they're bringing attention to you! Come on! You
See, you got a bunch of people that like it.
Wow, the same thing that happened yesterday, just that I'm in a car now.
Right. Looks like I graduated, huh? Golly. All these kids had school today?
Yeah, everybody at the 5th grade had to go to school today.
What grade are you in?
5th?
And you had school? Oh, you didn't have school today.
Only this. This is the only time I had to come to the school area today. Everybody else has to go to school.
Honk again. What are you doing?